So I founded a nonprofit organization called Spot Globally that is it's a health-based organization that helps curb the spread of zoonotic diseases around the world. So the way this happens is I try to eliminate diseases through eliminating the reservoir of diseases. And that reservoir is specifically in stray cats and dogs that are coming into direct contact with people all over the world, whether wealthy, whether poor, young or old. And oftentimes these stray dogs and cats, which harbor diseases such as rabies or tick-borne infestations, when they attack or potentially bite these people, they infect them with the diseases. So the project that I'm doing is to help sterilize the animals and vaccinate the animals in these concentrated areas in 12 developing countries across the world to help lower the spread of this disease. So, being born in an age where everything is based on the web, I kind of grew up swimming in all this technology. And that's actually how I really got involved in my project. I learned about the issue through Googling something, and that's what galvanized me into action. So through that, I was able to contact MSCs via email, via websites. I was able to reach out to different students across the world via their school websites, via Facebook posts and Twitter, and like more recently we've been able to connect on those social media platforms. Now I run my organization entirely on Google Plus Hangouts, which is really cool because I'm able to work with my core team, which is like 10 people from different universities across America on Google Plus. It's definitely an embarrassing amount of time that I spend online, whether it be on my cell phone or on my laptop. Being a student, all of my stuff is based online, and running this organization that's across the world, all of my communications are based online. So I'd probably say like at least 70% of my day is online. So I'm a huge fan of TED Talks, and I learned about that through a bunch of Facebook statuses that were aggregated on my homepage, and that's definitely a movement that I've been inspired by, and I've learned so much by. So that connection and sharing videos on so many different levels was something that I definitely grasped quickly. The simple answer of why I would really send something off to a friend is number one, relevance to some of my friends' projects or interests, and number two, just the novelty of it, how cool it is, how excited people are by their own ideas and how passionate they are. Like, I'm definitely infected by other people's emotions, and sending that off to people, I know people will appreciate that.